Okay.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm finding the thingy, but I couldn't find it anywhere.
What's it called?
A thingy.
The-
What's a thingy? Because
the
I
thingy?
couldn't find it.
Did your brother get it?
No.
He didn't get it for you?
No, because it's been left in the fridge.
You spinned it under the fridge.
Yeah. Because I can't find it. Oh,
Well, what are you looking for?
the thingy.
The thinny.
Yes. Because I couldn't find it anywhere.
I think it's called a spin top
Yes.
or something like that.
Can you help me find it?
Can I help you find it?
Yes, of course. You can find it. You can find it, Daddy. You can find it. Yes, you could find it. Could find it.
What are you doing now?
Playing on the computer. Playing on the computer.
And on the computer. Alright, homeboy. Say peace out.
Pizza.
Say peace out.
Pizza.
Say,
You know what you need, Daddy?
what do I need?
A freeze.
Is that right? You know what you need?
You know what you need?